First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your laptop, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Samsung phone to the laptop via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your phone to make sure the connection is established. All data on your Samsung phone will be scanned out and displayed in the interface. To transfer data from Samsung to laptop, click any data type like Contacts. You can scroll down to preview all data in detail. Tick off the data you want to transfer to your laptop, then click Export. Select the file format you want to save, then choose a location to save it. Then the chosen data will be transferred to your laptop.